Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Hideous by Mehro. Huh? Oh. Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to play Hideous by Mehro. This is one of my new favorite songs, and yes, this is going to be a ukulele tutorial as usual, so make sure you get your ukuleles and make sure they're in tune G, C, E, A. So let's go ahead and get to the chords. I'm going to make a follow along, like play along version of this tutorial. So if that helps you guys kind of learn how to play it by playing along with me, then yeah, I hope it helps because I'm going to do that. And I'm also going to do another cover of this song because I did one a while ago and I feel like I could do better. Also, I've changed my name on Spotify to Tiny Tulips because first of all, it sounds like super vibey and like happy or whatever. Tiny Tulips, that's just cute. Anyway, everything else is going to stay JWillyGuy, these tutorials, my TikTok, my Instagram, but I have separate ones for Tiny Tulips because it's my band. I didn't want to be JWillyGuy on Spotify when it's more than just me. I have my wife and some other members that help write songs and are going to help sing and stuff, so I figured changing it to Tiny Tulips would show that it's more than just me, so yeah, if you guys listen to my music, it'll be under Tiny Tulips now. But everything else is JWillyGuy, so just a little update. Back to the tutorial. Okay, so this song only has 3 chords that are used kind of repeatedly, and then just 1 chord that's kind of thrown in there at the end. But we will get there once we get there. But I'm just going to show you all the chords first, and then we will start with the chorus and then the verses because that is kind of the order that the song goes in. So the first chord is an A, which is just your middle finger on the top string, 2nd fret, your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. The chord after that is an E. I like to play the barred one, so if you want to try the barred one, you just bar the 2nd fret, all 4 strings, and then you want to play the top 3 strings with the kind of the tip of your ring finger. You could also play it like this, almost like putting the top 3 strings with these fingers and then putting this pointer finger on this bottom string 2nd fret. You just basically want to get all those same strings pressed down. But if those are too hard for you, there is an open E chord, which is your pointer finger on the top string 1st fret, your middle finger on the bottom string 2nd fret, and then your pinky on the 2nd string 4th fret. It sounds exactly the same. So whichever one you prefer. The chord after that is an F sharp minor. So if you go back to what we did on the A, you just add your ring finger to the 3rd string 2nd fret. So middle finger, top string 2nd fret, pointer finger, 2nd string 1st fret, ring finger, 3rd string 2nd fret. And then the last chord that he only plays like once, maybe twice in the song is a B. So how you play that is barring the 2nd fret again, putting your middle finger on the 2nd string 1st fret, and then your ring finger on the top string 3rd fret. And that's a B. So all the chords are A, F sharp minor, E, and B. And those are all the chords for the song. So let's go ahead and start with the chorus. All right, so for the chorus and the verses and everything in the song, the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up. And you do that 4 times on each chord. So starting the song, he starts off with the chorus and it starts with A and it's down, down, up, 4 times. And then you go to E and do it 4 times again. Then back to A 4 times. And then to E again 4 times. So you do the down, down, up 4 times on each chord, and you do A and E, 2 times in a row. So just like that, down, down, up 4 times on A, 4 times on E, 4 times on A, 4 times on E. And then after you do those twice, Then instead of going back to A, you go to F sharp minor, and this is where kind of the verses start. And yep, it's the same thing, 4 times on each. So it's F sharp minor and then to E again, just like the other. And that's basically what he does for the entire song. It's just A, E, and then F sharp minor, E, F sharp minor, E, and then back to A, back to E, back to A, back to E, F sharp minor. So you basically do each one twice, and then the strumming pattern 4 times on each one. So it's pretty simple. The only time it changes when you would do the B is one of the verses after singing the chorus. So it'll be the part where he says, was it all a lie? Those feelings you said you had for me, was it all a lie? This is where it changes, right? So instead of doing E 4 times, you do E twice, and then B twice. And then it gets back to the chorus, where it's, can't you look at me? Am I that hideous to you? And that's how you play the entire song. So I'm gonna go ahead and sing part of it for you. I'm also gonna be making a let's play, like playthrough with this song. So if you wanna learn this song and you wanna play along to figure out how to play the whole thing, I'm gonna do a let's play where I put the chords on the screen and play the song. So that might be easier for you guys to follow along with. Can't you look at me? Am I that hideous to you? Can't you talk to me? Do I really mean nothing to you? Turn away, forget everything. Turn away, forget everything. Does it seem too hard? Does it seem unright to keep in touch? When was the last time we spoke at all? Now tell me, baby. Wasn't that long ago when I had you in my hands? Wasn't that long ago I could see by your eyes you cared? So I thought, can't you look at me, or am I that hideous to you? Can't you talk to me, or do I really mean nothing to you? Was it all a lie? Those feelings you said you had for me, was it all a lie? Or do you have no feelings really? Can't you look at me, or am I that hideous to you? Can't you talk to me, or do I really mean nothing to you? I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Hideous by Mehro. It's a super fun song and he's super awesome and he's really underrated. So learn how to play it, sing it, go listen to his music. He's awesome. Yeah, and I'll see you guys later.